What is the ploidy of a spore produced by a sporophytic generation in bryophytes? A. N. B. 2N. C. 3N. D. 4N. The correct answer is A. N. In a step-up transformer, how does the secondary voltage compare to the primary voltage? A. Secondary voltage is equal. B. Secondary voltage is 0. C. Secondary voltage is lower. D. Secondary voltage is higher. The correct answer is D. Secondary voltage is higher. Who was Mirabai a devotee of? A. Lord Rama. B. Lord Shiva. C. Lord Vishnu. D. Lord Krishna. The correct answer is D. Lord Krishna. What celestial bodies are described as orbiting the Earth in the geocentric model? A. Stars and planets only. B. Sun, Moon, stars, and planets. C. Only the Sun. D. Only the Moon. The correct answer is B. Sun, Moon, stars, and planets. Which social group, eager to improve their status, turned to Buddhism and Jainism? A. Vaishyas. B. Kshatriyas. C. Brahmins. D. Shudras. The correct answer is A. Vaishyas. What is a funnel-shaped depression at the top of a volcanic cone called? A. Crater. B. Caldera. C. Basin. D. Vent. The correct answer is A. Crater. Into what two sects did Buddhism split as a result of the reforms initiated by Nagarjuna? A. Hinayana and Mahayana. B. Theravada and Vajrayana. C. Avidya and Nirvana. D. Digambara and Svetambara. The correct answer is A. Hinayana and Mahayana. When a bar magnet is suspended from a rigid support, what is its initial behavior after being disturbed? A. It repels the support. B. It immediately comes to rest. C. It rotates continuously. D. It oscillates. The correct answer is D. It oscillates. What is defined as the temperature at which a liquid changes to a gas? A. Freezing point. B. Melting point. C. Condensation point. D. Boiling point. The correct answer is D. Boiling point. What is another term for poor conductors of electricity? A. Transistors. B. Resistors. C. Insulators. D. Amplifiers. The correct answer is C. Insulators. The Namakkal urban settlement is an example of what kind of settlement? A. Rural. B. Star-like pattern. C. Urban. D. Circular pattern. The correct answer is C. Urban. Which religion's place of worship is called a vihara? A. Judaism. B. Islam. C. Buddhism. D. Hinduism. The correct answer is C. Buddhism. What type of sugar is found in a DNA nucleotide? A. Ribose sugar. B. Deoxyribose sugar. C. Sucrose sugar. D. Glucose sugar. The correct answer is B. Deoxyribose sugar. Which form of government is characterized by independent branches with overlapping functions? A. Parliamentary form of government. B. Presidential form of government. C. Unitary form of government. D. Federal form of government. The correct answer is A. Parliamentary form of government. In what sectors are other Sri Lankan investments in India besides the mentioned companies? A. Automotive and manufacturing. B. Pharmaceutical and healthcare. C. Freight servicing and logistics sector. D. Agriculture and mining. The correct answer is C. Freight servicing and logistics sector. Which term is the odd one out among focus, epicenter, vent, and seismic waves? A. Epicenter. B. Focus. C. Vent. D. Seismic waves. The correct answer is C. Vent. What concept related to waste have scientists considered? A. Maximizing waste production. B. Eliminating all scientific thought. C. Minimizing scientific research. D. Managing plastic waste. The correct answer is D. Managing plastic waste. What specific needs of adolescents are students expected to understand? A. Their sleep patterns. B. Their emotional development. C. Their social interactions. D. Their nutritional needs. The correct answer is D. Their nutritional needs. What kind of activities are found in the Fun with History section? A. Lectures and presentations. B. Learning by doing individually or in groups. C. Self-evaluation quizzes. D. Reading comprehension exercises. The correct answer is B. Learning by doing individually or in groups. What is the primary cause of goiter? A. Inadequate supply of iodine in the diet. B. Excessive intake of iodine. C. High levels of thyroglobulin. D. Overproduction of melatonin. The correct answer is A. Inadequate supply of iodine in the diet. What is released when new bonds form during the reaction of elements to form a compound? A. A huge amount of heat energy. B. Electrical energy. C. Chemical potential energy. D. Light energy. The correct answer is A. A huge amount of heat energy. What is produced when an object travels at a speed higher than that of sound in air? A. Sound echoes. B. Air vortices. C. Shock waves. D. Sonic booms. The correct answer is C. Shock waves. Which process involves the movement of solvent molecules from a region of higher concentration? A. Anabolism. B. Osmosis. C. Diffusion. D. Catabolism. The correct answer is B. Osmosis. Taxes on which type of goods are mentioned as being progressive in nature? A. Essential goods. B. Export items. C. Luxury goods. D. Agricultural goods. The correct answer is C. Luxury goods. What is the characteristic behavior of a fuse wire during an overload in wiring? A. It contracts. B. It becomes more conductive. C. It expands. D. It melts. The correct answer is D. It melts. How many layered protective coverings does the human heart have? A. 1. B. 4. C. 2. D. 3. The correct answer is C. 2. Which Sangam landscape followed a pastoral way of life? A. Nedal. B. Pale. C. Marutham. D. Mullai. The correct answer is D. Mullai. What term describes the age during which hormonal changes lead to the development of secondary sexual characters? A. Adulthood. B. Puberty. C. Senescence. D. Infancy. The correct answer is B. Puberty. What is one characteristic of some hazards that occur frequently? A. They are always socio-natural. B. They cause minimal threat. C. They are easily recovered from. D. They threaten people. The correct answer is D. They threaten people. What is the valency of magnesium in magnesium chloride, MgCl2? Ace 1. B 4. C 2. D 3. The correct answer is C 2. How did you score?